Hey guys, how you doing? This is Barry, the buyer, coming at you real quick. Off the top of my head on this beautiful Saturday, the house I'm in right now is a beautiful 3-bedroom house with 2 baths that I bought a couple of years ago, and I wanted to share something with you guys about investing your money. This is a house that I bought a couple of years ago. I put about $50,000 into it as far as remodeling it on top of my purchase price. And then I rented the property for a couple of years, and I carried a positive income of about 25% based on the rent. Now, a couple of years later, I've asked the tenants to move, which they did, and I'm going to be selling the property. My profit on selling it, on top of what I paid for it and what I put into it, is going to be about 45%. So to put that in perspective for you, if I invested $1,000 and made a 45% return, I'd make $450. If you put that same money in the bank, you'll make maybe a 1% return. So that's just to help you guys with your investments and with using your money wisely, as opposed to, the things that we spend money on. I mean, it's obvious we all waste money. I waste a shitload of money on cars and jewelry and things like that. But before I waste that money, I definitely invest my money, and my profits from my investment is usually what pays for the things that I waste money on. So hopefully this will help some of you guys. If it's real estate or stocks or gold, anything tangible that gives you a return, put your money in the right place first. And then you can play with all the toys and the bells and the whistles. This is Barry Malcolm, also known as Barry the Buyer. Good luck to you with your investments. Thank you.